Good day everyone, I am Lansande Patarayan and this is my blog for my PETA in English Quarter 3. So, our topic for the day is how did Antonio Luna die? But before we discuss how did Antonio Luna die, we must first discuss who is Antonio Luna.
Now moving on, Antonio Narciso Luna de San Pedro y Novicio Ancheta was born in October 29, 1866 and died in June 5, 1899. He was a Filipino Army General and a pharmacist who fought in the Filipino-American War before he was assassinated in June 5, 1899 at the age of 32.
Now that we know who Antonio Luna is, we will now discuss how did he die. General Antonio Luna was killed in a plaza of a rectory in Cabanatuan, Nueva Ecija. Luna was to attend a council of war called by General Emilio Aguinaldo. So, General Antonio Luna arrived at Aguinaldo's headquarters with 2 aides and 12 soldiers. After getting off his horse and sending his soldiers away, he went to the rectory alone. And when Antonio Luna reached the stairs, a junior officer told him that Aguinaldo had already left. Luna felt insulted and was about to leave, but a sergeant who had been hiding from him suddenly attacked him with a knife. Realizing that he was in danger, Luna pulls his revolver out to protect himself. Not wanting to fight the attackers in close quarters, he pushed past them and ran outside to get help from his soldiers. Once outside, Antonio Luna faced another group sent by Emilio Aguinaldo to capture him. But the leader in charge decided that it would be better to kill Antonio Luna than to capture him alive. So they fired at him. Although Antonio Luna was hit, he managed to shoot several attackers before he fell or died. That's all. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.